One of the important components of a shoe is a comfortable insole. A company from Vancouver, called Wiivv, recently released a line of personalized insoles. Consumers can use a smartphone app and advanced computer vision to capture data for their feet. It was developed using experts in sports medicine, orthotics, and pedorthics to maximize comfort and lessen the chance of foot fatigue. The insole was designed so consumers can relieve their foot pain at a more reasonable price than ones that are prescribed by medical professionals. They have a patent-pending design that lessens the pressure put on the forefoot, helping increase stability and healthy alignment. Wiivv has developed a suite of technology that includes an adaptive manufacturing system that can be applied to any part of the human body. Using computer vision technologies, photos will be used to create a 3D model that is then manufactured in the company's facility in San Diego. Their goal for the Kickstarter is $50,000, which will be used in the manufacturing of base insoles, which will be shipped within days of the completion of the campaign.